Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The video which I posted in the first, it was got good response, and thank you for that. We'll come to the topic wise videos from now, and welcome back to Supreme YouTube channel. Then I wish you like my videos, and please do watch it. We'll come to the lesson human reproduction. This is the most important topic, most important lesson in the mean of PU board exams also, and in the mean of NEET also. In board exams also nearly 5 marks questions, 10 marks question and 2 marks questions will be covered from the major chapter human reproduction. And NEET nearly, I think I am guarantee about 4 to 5 questions definitely. In each year nearly 4 questions, maximum 4. In some cases nearly 5 also in NEET exams. Done. Okay, what is human reproduction? What is human reproduction? Here re means repeat. Production means to produce. Repeatedly to produce. The meaning of reproduction is repeatedly to produce. What to produce? For example, our father and our mother, they give birth to us by reproduction, means to continuity of their generation. It is a biological process to continue their generation, to produce new breed, new offspring. That is called human reproduction. Done. Here, human reproduction is through sexual, by involvement of two gametes. That is called sexual reproduction. Some asexual reproduction is also there. Their involvement of only one gamete. In plants, for example, in plants, in some animals, through budding or fission. Thus, that part we will discuss in the botany. Then we will come to the zoology part, that is human reproduction. Humans, we are sexually reproducing and viviparous. What is sexually reproducing? Here, involvement of both male and female gamete. Means sexually reproducing means both male and female gamete should be involved. How male gamete are produced? Through spermatogenesis. How spermatogenesis will take place? For example, testes are present. Inside the testes, seminiferous tubules are present. Inside the seminiferous tubules, sperms are produced. Those will discuss in detail. Each and every detail will be discussed in the further classes. Here only we are discussing about introduction, means events of human reproductive system. Same in the oogenesis will take place in the humans. Through oogenesis, ovum is produced. Through spermatogenesis, sperm is produced. Then the sperm and ovum will fuse to form a zygote. Zygote. This is male gamete, this is female gamete. These two will fuse to form a zygote. The production of male and female gamete is called gametogenesis. Then here, what is viviparous? The mammals. We are directly giving birth to young ones without involvement of egg. For example, oviparous. Oviparous. Ovipara means involvement of egg will take place. The animals will directly not give birth to the young ones, but viviparous animals will give directly to the young ones. For example, mammals, we. Then, after 9 months, they'll give directly birth to the young ones. Humans will give directly young ones without production of egg, right? Mammals will not produce egg, exception in platypus. Next, what are the events of sexual reproduction? Gametogenesis, as we discussed here. Gametogenesis means production of eggs or gametes, both in male and female. Those are sperm and ovum. Through spermatogenesis and oogenesis, the production of gametes is called gametogenesis. What are those gametes? Sperm and ovum. Sperm is produced through spermatogenesis, ovum is produced through oogenesis. Here comes next, insemination. The transfer of male gamete, that is sperm, into female reproductive tract, that is vagina, is called insemination. The transfer of male gamete, that is nothing but sperm, into female reproductive tract, nothing but vagina, is called insemination. The next, after insemination, what are the events will take place? Fertilization. Now the male gamete is transferred into vagina. Next process is called fertilization. The fusion of male and female gamete called fertilization, where it takes place in the ampullary ischemic junction in the fallopian tube. That we'll discuss in the female reproductive system. These are only events. I am telling you short definition and the process, how from starting to ending stage, what are events are involved in it, right? After fertilization, what will take place? Now zygote. Zygote is formed. This is the zygote. Zygote will undergo cleavage. This after cleavage by through mitotic division. Mitotic division. It forms a cells. These are called blastomere. Zygote in the first day. Blastomere nearly second to fifth day. It stays till the 2 cell stage, 4 cell stage, 8 cell stage, till the blastomere stage. Then further it undergo mitotic division and leads to the formation of morula. These are all take place in the ampullary ischemic junction of female reproductive system. There is nothing but in fallopian tube. So morula is a 16 celled stage. See here comes the important topic. Think this as a female reproductive system. This region is called ampullary ischemic junction. Just roughly I am telling. This region is called ampullary ischemic junction. Here the fertilization occurred. The sperm from here enter into the female reproductive tract. It reaches to the ampullary ischemic junction and ovum here. And ovum is collected through the fimbriae of female reproductive system. And this ovum will transfer till the here. This is called ampullary ischemic junction. Here the fusion of sperm and ovum forms fertilization. From fertilization to blastomere to morula. Till the morula will stay here only. After the completion of morula stage, it will come down to the uterus. And this is uterus layer. And morula will come down, and this environment is called uterus environment. And morula will absorb the nutrients or water content from the uterus, which is surrounded by the uterine cavity. So this morula will absorb some fluid and it will convert into blastocoel and blastocyst. The water content from the uterus cavity or uterine environment is absorbed by morula and it forms a seal. Seal nothing but water. In the morula, the water will enter and it forms a blastocoel and blastocyst. And this attachment of blastocyst to the uterus. Now this blastocyst will go and attach to the uterus wall here. Then I will explain. Give me a time. Now implantation. As earlier I am discussed here. What is implantation? See here. See, from here sperm entered through the ampullary ischemic junction, right? From here ovum is collected. Here the fertilization occurred. After fertilization, zygote is formed. Now zygote undergo mitotic division, and from there to blastomere to morula, and this stage is called morula. Morula is ready. As morula is entering to the uterine cavity, here the uterine cavity is present with the environment, uterine environment, nothing but it contains some water, and this water is absorbed by the morula. And morula inside the marula water will enter, and so the solid mass of marula, this concept, this is marula, the water content will go, that is called seal. This is called cyst. Blasto seal one side, blasto cyst one side. This is water content, this is the solid mass. This is called blastocyst and blastocele. And the attachment of blastocyst and blastocele to the uterus, it will come and attachment here. And this is called uterus. Uterus consists of a perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium. The attachment of blastocyst to the endometrium layer of the uterus is called implantation. Then see here, attachment of blastocyst to the uterine wall. Uterine wall is called implantation. How blastocyst form? From the zygote. Zygote to blastomere. Blastomere to marula. Marula will absorb some content or some quantity from the uterus and it form a fluid filled cavity is called blastocele and mass is called blastocyst. The blastocyst will come and attach to the endometrium layer of the uterus. Then it forms a implantation. Then the see here, implantation nothing but the innermost layer of the uterus will consist of a finger like progenitor like this, and this blastocyst will consist of a finger like progenitor like this. They both interlock in the endometrium layer. It forms a process called implantation. After implantation, what will happen? Yes, what is gestation? It is around 9 months, embryonic time period. We generally call as embryonic time period. Now we'll discuss about gestation. It's around 9 months. We'll call embryonic period. Embryonic period. Gestation. Gestation is around 9 months. The embryonic development of the baby is called gestation. After implantation, gestation. After gestation, parturition. What is parturition? The development of the baby. The delivery of the baby is called parturition. The development of the baby is called gestation. Lactation. It is not there in NCERT, but we should know. We should know because after parturition, the milk feeding baby, the newborn baby will be feeding by milk. That's called lactation. So these are the events of woman reproductive system from the gametogenesis to the lactation. Those are the events of woman reproductive system, and these are I discussed only in small quantity because these are events, not complete chapter, but each event consists of a subtopic. In each subtopic, male reproductive system, female reproductive system, and menstrual cycle, oogenesis, spermatogenesis, the fusion of sperm and ovum, all the topics we will discuss in detail in further classes. So the each and every concept of the woman reproductive system will be systematic, clearly explained in further classes. Please, this topic, if you get really liked or if you get really knowledge, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And further, please share my video and please press the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever I do new video. And thank you everyone. Thank you for giving me time. Thank you very much. This is SUCHITH signing up. Thank you.